Okay, so we're going to look at the homework from Thursday, actually Wednesday, 4/29. And in particular, we're going to look at some of the problems. So the first problem we're going to look at is number 5 from page 536. Okay, and this is an example. Number 5 is of a Le Chatelier problem. They're asking us about shifting equilibrium, how to affect, what factors affect equilibrium. Okay, so first of all, they're asking us to write the equation in step A, or part A, write a balanced chemical equation. Well, if you read the problem, it says ethyl acetate is prepared by reacting acetic acid. So that's telling us that the reactants here are acetic acid and ethanol. So CH3 COOH is our acetic acid, that's a liquid, plus our ethanol, which is C2H5OH, liquid. And since this is an equilibrium process, we put our double arrows, and it forms ethyl acetate, which is CH3COOC2H5, which is also a liquid, plus we're also told that water is produced, and that's probably a liquid as well. If we look at it, is it balanced? Well, if you look at it, you'll find that it is in fact balanced. And so even though it's a fairly complicated looking reaction, luckily we lucked out, it's balanced, so we don't have to worry about balancing. For part B, they ask us if the production of ethyl acetate is not enough, right, which is a situation chemists often find themselves in. If you're wanting to produce more of this product, okay, what would increase the yield? Well, the three factors you can look at that we've talked about are concentration, pressure, and also temperature. Well, you have to decide which of these are appropriate in this case. Let's look at temperature. Temperature, you'd have to know whether it's endo or exo before you can make that determination of how temperature is going to affect it. Since they don't tell us about the energy involved in the reaction, we can't talk about temperature. Pressure is only relevant in cases where you have gaseous reactants and products. We have all liquids here, so pressure is not relevant. So all we can do is talk about concentration. So what you want to do in this case is increase the concentration of the reactants. Again, these brackets mean concentration, and you'd want to reduce the concentration of the products. Okay, and so that would be what you would want to write for an answer for part B. And part C, they ask us, why is it a good idea to remove ethyl acetate? Why would it be a good idea to remove this as it forms? Well, like we said, as you reduce the concentration of the products, you know that pushes the reaction in the forward direction, and therefore that way we produce more of the product. So removing product causes forward process to occur, okay, and therefore produces more product. Okay, and that is the answer to number 5.